It can be hard to decide on the perfect gift this holiday season, especially for the beauty lovers in your life.
There's so much out there. That is why the beauty girl Nicole Pearl is here to share the best holiday gifts for the beauty guru this season. Welcome back.
Thanks for having me.
So fun.
I love the holidays, but they can be stressful
Yes.
and take a toll, especially on our skin.
Yes.
So let's talk skincare.
Okay.
This is Olay. They have their micro sculpting cream and their super serum. And I love this as a gift because it's so easy to pick up at the drugstore. One jar sells every 12 seconds of this. It's won so many awards. And Olay is doing a great rebate right now. So these together are on sale for $55, but when you spend $30 on Olay products, they're gonna give you $10 back.
Oh, nice.
Just go to olay.com/uplaterebate to get your $10 back.
All right,
okay, good.
Well, this is a tried and true brand.
Great
so
stocking stuffer, too.
Iconic, yes.
Okay.
Lash and brows.
Limited edition sets are great because they're a great value and they're special. They're not around all the time. So this is from Grande Cosmetics. They're the #1 lash and brow serum on the market. This is their lash and brow legend set. So you'll see that they've got these crystal studded embellished.
Pretty, yeah.
Yeah, the lash and brow serum travel size versions along with their brow laminate. This is more a $96 value for $57. So
Okay.
a great gift.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
people
good.
are always trying to fill in their bras or brows. The bras too, you know. Oh yeah, actually, let's rinse
Perfect segue because we could all use better posture. And I
Yes.
love this from Form because they are the next generation in wearable technology. So this is athleisure wear that also has technology built in to improve your posture.
Makes me want to stand up straight.
Yes, and actually we've seen
Little
Taylor
shapewear going
Swift
on.
wears these sports bras, so she really likes these, but they've got leggings and shirts and socks, so all great for performance, but also for relieving tension and improving your posture.
That's what
They
I
got some great
need.
colors too.
Right?
Yes, lots of
Literally,
variety.
this is like shapewear for your back.
Yeah.
Feel it.
You got to pull these shoulders down and back, right? Where everyone's shoulders are up in their ears these days.
Okay,
Totally.
Very good in socks too. Okay. This has caught my eye.
This, let's talk hair care. So this is the La Dura. This is the first ever pod-based scalp and hair care device. So this is professional grade hair treatment at home in this one simple device.
Okay.
So if you want to feel it, you'll see that it uses
vibrates, yeah.
red light, which is great for hair loss, microcurrent technology to stimulate the follicle. It's warming, and there's pods in the center
that's what I was gonna ask.
that
Okay.
distribute really good ingredients, whether it's peppermint, tea tree oil to treat your scalp. And so this is a wonderful all over, from the scalp to
Oh,
the
so you
root.
put that
you
in
put
there?
it through your hair. It delivers the product. You'll feel it as you do it, and over time it's great for your hair.
So you
And
put this in the middle yourself?
yes, you can pick. It comes with different pods. You choose which pod you want.
Oh, that's kind of fun.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Okay,
Yes, and
fantastic.
for high-tech beauty, that's all the rage.
Okay, got that.
Fantastic.
Now let's talk body care. This Works. They are scientifically proven functional fragrances to either enhance your sleep or boost your mood.
Okay.
I'm obsessed with all their gift sets. They've got pillow sprays, they've got body washes, and everything that's so giftable. Even if you want a stocking stuffer, there's a $15 hand cream. So check out these sets. It's us.thisworks.com and play around.
I love that.
Those are great.
Yeah. All right.
And now we're going to talk about a wellness ritual.
Okay.
This is from Hand and Stone Massage and Facial Spa. There's so many locations throughout the Chicagoland area. They're doing an incredible gift card that when you go get a spa package gift card, you will get a gift card for either a facial or massage. So you can treat somebody else, treat yourself at the same time. It's like bring that wellness ritual back into your life.
Oh,
That is
yeah.
cool. All right, I like that
So
one.
fun.
Yeah, that's a good
Bad
one.
one for them.
Yeah, one
good
for yourself. Yeah.
I mean, everyone's winning. And then I want to talk about small businesses. I love to support them. This is NVLX Labs. It is a female-founded, Black-owned small business, which is high-quality, luxurious hair care for locked hair. So this is the Nourishing Hair Serum. You can smell it if you want. It's lightweight. It smells amazing.
Well, I'll let them live that.
And then it also comes, well, you can buy this separately, but she's doing a bundle for just $36 right now. But these combs detangle your hair. They feel really good when you use it on your scalp. These have gone viral on social media. So the scalp oil comb must have nvlxlabs.com and support the small businesses out there.
I love that.
Absolutely.
That's
Especially
really
if they're from the
great.
Chicago area. We love
Yeah.
that. All right, Nicole, thank you.
These are great ideas. Thanks, Nicole. Thanks. All right, check out NicolePearl.com for more tips and tricks and some of our fun favorite things.